Hello, are you living in a junkyard? Do you live in a storage bin? Is that what your dream was? I don't think so. So let's get rid of the junk and the storage. Your home is designed with a limited, finite amount of storage space. That requires thought on your part. What do I need to keep for use in my home for daily life? What do I need to store for the seasons? Clothing, decoration. What do I want to keep for my grandchild? You only have so many spaces. You can't have it all. It's like going to a dessert buffet and saying, I want all the desserts. I like all the desserts. No, you can pick one. And it's the same with your junk, with your clutter. Don't live in a junkyard. Don't live in a storage bin. Live in a beautiful, well-appointed home. That's it for today. Have a great day.